Hello everyone, I'm Layman with MI Windows and Doors. We've recently updated the Astragal on our 1617 and 1618 sliding glass doors. Now, with two different versions out there, installation has gotten a little bit confusing, so in this video, Zach is going to show you how to install the new one.
Yep, absolutely. Since we're now using the metal reinforcement, we don't need the long wooden maul, so we can put these guys in top and bottom of the pre-drilled holes, and this is what your keeper will screw into. There we go. So now what we're going to do is fill in our two voids with some proof sealant. A 2-inch bead will do. Just run that straight down on both sides, like so. Take your infiltration block and put it right in the middle, making a solid seal the whole way around.
All right, then you're going to do the same thing up at the top.
2-inch bead in the void, both sides. Oops. And then your insect block. Smooth it out, you're good to go.
All right, you want to line up your Astragal with the top exterior sash, right, Zach?
That's correct. So to do that, you're going to line up with your head and your sill. You can use your finger to align with the exterior top of the sash. That's going to allow for adjustment in the rollers if need be. And from there, you're just going to install your 4 installation screws, and that'll attach your Astragal. Then you take your self tapper, feed it in, and install.
And you can repeat the process for the remaining 3 screws. All right, it's important to note here that the top and bottom holes do not get screws, just a screw plug.
Just the same. There you go.